finished loading a machine here. An 80. Essenor Sawmill. I'm way in the back of the mill here. See a conveyor belt back there for when they used to have chips going out of here to the pulp mills, which aren't hardly around anymore. But yeah, have a look at some pieces of equipment. Hey, look at that old girl. Grapple loader. Button top. Little Cabelco. 980. Caterpillar grapple loader. Oh, and here we got a train coming by. So I'm right at the back of the mill. I'll take you for a tour on the way out of here. Show you this sawmill, which is kind of stretched out all the way from here to Telegraph Trail. Got barge facilities here. Train going by. This is a view of a proper sawmill. Not many of these left around. Or they downsized. Looks like they're cutting all fir here. From the train and the sawmill are fighting with each other. Forklift hard at work, making packages of lumber. Squeeze truck. That's an old one. Couple of sawdust haulers loading their trucks. The main office. Another look at a squeeze truck. You don't see those around hardly anywhere anymore. And here's where the lumber's packaged and get ready to be shipped out. Sawdust piles. Hog fuel pile. There's a load of lumber. That's heading to the United States. You can tell because that's a full load for the States. extension mill. Another squeeze truck. For 2. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Well, it's not it. There's still, I'd say that's 2/3 of the mill. There's still another third goes on for a quarter mile or so that way. I think that's their maintenance shops and stuff down that way. And they do store lumber down there.